Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Student Meals! Today we're going to make a dish out of my childhood. My parents used to make this for us and I remember it was really one of my favorites. I loved it and I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys. So we're going to make macaroni with vegetables. It's as simple as that. We hope you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 1 onion finely chopped, 1 clove of garlic pressed, 500 grams of finely chopped vegetables. Now my parents always used to buy these. It's called julienne soup. Actually these are just vegetables that are meant to be made into a soup. They consist of finely chopped carrots, leek and celery, about 300 grams of minced meat, about 375 grams of pasta. Now what I like to do is choose a pasta that is quite a small size because I want it to be all bite-sized and the same size as the chopped up vegetables and the chopped up onion. So it's just nice to eat and it all has the same size. And finally, some ketchup mayonnaise. Let's do that. First of all, take a large frying pan and add some olive oil. Turn on the heat and let it get hot. When the oil is hot, add the onions and just fry them until they become a bit glazy. When you notice your onions are becoming glazy, we're going to add the minced meat. Just pinch it apart a bit and add it in there. Now just make sure that you make small pieces of the meat, so you really pinch it apart with a spatula or with a spoon or whatever. When you notice the meat is about halfway done, add the garlic and give it all a very good mix. Now we're going to season this with some ketchup mayonnaise. I'm going to add, I think, about 1 tablespoon to start with. And now just mix it up again. I just love the smell of this. So good. I'm just going to add a bit more. Alright, now when the meat is done, I'm just going to set this aside in a little bowl. So I've cleaned out my pan and now it's time to fry the vegetables. Again, I'm going to add a bit of olive oil, put on the fire and let it get hot. When the oil is hot, I'm going to dump all of the veggies in there. And now just take your time and let it fry until all your vegetables are completely done. While you're waiting for the veggies to be done, we're going to boil the pasta. So the vegetables are done and now I'm going to add the minced meat and the onion. There we go. Now mix it all up and now I'm going to season this with some more ketchup mayonnaise. Now this is completely to choice, to preference, however you like it, how much you like it. I kind of like a lot of ketchup mayonnaise, so I'm adding a lot. But if you like less, of course you can add less. So my pasta is also done and now I'm going to add it to the vegetables and the meat. And mix it all up again. And finally, to finish it off, just a drizzle more of ketchup mayonnaise. I can't wait to eat this already. And here you have it, the final results. Now this recipe will feed a whole family for one night or 2 people for about half a week. What I also love to do as a child is eat this with some ketchup and grated cheese. Of course it's optional, you can add whatever you like, but I remember I loved to do that. Time for the test! I can't wait. Oh my god, this brings back so many memories. I just love this dish and I'm wondering why it took me so long to make it again. It's so good. I would definitely recommend you making it. You don't need a lot of ingredients. It doesn't take that much time and it's super delicious. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!